What's up, guys? Welcome back to Slovakia. This is my last full day here, and today I plan on going to the Old Town and seeing the Bratislava Castle, going to Michael's Gate and to the Blue Church, and then whatever else I get into. So, should be a fun day. So here's the Blue Church, one of the staples of Bratislava. Look at this area it's in. This is a beautiful area. Look at this building. Yeah, this is a really cool church. I've never seen a church like this before. So I am inside the Blue Church, but it says the church is closed. But I can still see in there. Looks beautiful. But unfortunately I won't be able to go any further than this. And I did check the doors, they're all locked. Look at this building, this church. So this bridge up here, I believe is the UFO bridge. There's one bridge here in Bratislava that has a UFO at the top. Oh no, it is that bridge, I can see it now. It's foggy. Heading to the Bratislava Castle. And I got a lot of stairs ahead of me before I get there. So there's the castle up there. So I still gotta walk up there. You see Slovakia's flag and the European Union flag, and some type of government building, and a much bigger Slovakian flag. So there is nobody here right now. It's literally just me, this entire area. So this is in the middle of the castle. So, just got a ticket to tour the inside. It is 14 euros. So I'm at the very top of the castle. I'm a little bit out of breath. It's like 5 flights of stairs. And they're really steep, but this is awesome. This is a great view. Alright guys, so I stopped at a souvenir shop. I got 4 postcards, got a sticker, a patch for a friend, and then I got this thing here. It's like a Knights Templar, what it looks like to me. And I got all that for €14.50. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I really enjoyed Slovakia, and I hope you guys got a good look at Slovakia as well. And I would highly recommend that you come and visit Slovakia. Definitely come here to Bratislava, but maybe also rent a car and drive out into other parts of Slovakia. I think that would be a lot of fun. There's stunning nature. When I was taking the bus from Krakow here to Bratislava, stunning mountains, stunning nature. It's a really beautiful country, so I would recommend doing that as well. But that's going to do it for this video, so hopefully you guys liked it, and I will see you in the next video, which will be from Hungary.